All right, we're kicking some serious butt in the engine bay. Let's talk about it. Air filter's back in. New air filter. I recommend putting some WD-40 around this spot right here. So when you push it in, it slides in a little easier. These can take 10, 15, 20, even 30 minutes. It probably took me 15 minutes of screwing around with it. I've got experience with them. I mean, literally pushing and jamming it in there, and it just sets. There's two nubs back there. You'll see it in there. Also, I want to let you guys know this is a preliminary cleaning. It's going to have to wait till spring until I get the pressure wash here and really get this engine looking good. I did notice some rust. You can see on the headers. Those are, I guess, like a heat shield or whatever. It's totally rusted up down there. I'm going to have to remove that off the headers. A new set of headers are definitely in the works. Haven't decided who I want to go with just yet, but that's definitely something that's on the table. I want to mention a quick tip. When it comes to taking off this, excuse me, I got dinner in my teeth. Okay, we're back. When it comes to taking off this cover, it can actually be extremely difficult. What I recommend is, this is how I did it. I got this big pry bar here. You just work it on the edges in a good location, and it'll just come up. It's amazing. It'll be stuck, and then boom, it'll just come right up. Coming over here to the valve cover that we've installed. When I drilled the holes in this, I drilled 15 total holes about the size of a number 2 pencil. Not sure what drill bit that is. That's what I did on my 05, and my 05 is running great. Actually, I got to torque these down now that I think about it. With that being said, there was 15 holes in total. Next, we're going to do the spark plugs on this side. You do need a special tool to pull out these spark plugs. It's a spark plug puller, and then there's another tool to pull off those boots. So while we have the coil packs off, it'll make it much easier for us to get in there. And again, you can see those headers definitely need to be replaced. What else do I have for you guys in here and all this excitement? I did put on a new belt. That's a Continental belt. That's the best belt you can get on the H2. You have to use a 15 mil right here. Right there, that is the tensioner. I thought about replacing the tensioner and the pulley, but you know what? They're in good shape. I don't really think it's necessary to be doing that. They're in good shape. I did notice that my radiator actually has a petcock. I'm not sure if that's stock in 06, but the petcock is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. On 05, it did not come stock,